In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I created my YouTube thumbnail for one of my most recent videos. When you open up the Canva app on your iPad or iPhone, you will see recommendations and your designs if you made anything before. You can choose to create a new design from the Create tab or Recommendations and choose the pre-made blank template for a YouTube thumbnail. This way, you don't have to input the size in inches or pixels. Since I have made many YouTube thumbnail designs, I simply create a copy and open that copy to make changes to it. So the first thing I do is delete the elements I don't want to reuse, for instance, the picture. To delete something, you just select it and hit the trash icon in the taskbar above. On the left hand side, you will see a vertical menu to select from. To import a new picture, select Camera Roll and browse through your pictures taken on your iPad or iPhone and select the one you want to use for the thumbnail. You can resize and reposition to your liking. You can also select elements to add graphics to the design. In this case, I'm going to search for logos of companies I want to talk about in this particular video. Sometimes you can find these as stickers, but if they don't have the images, then you will have to take a screenshot of the company logo and name from off of the actual website, and that's actually what I had to do. So in order to change the text, I select all of the text and the keyboard will automatically pop up for me to change the words. You can change the font and the font size in the taskbar up top. But if you also want to add new text designs, you can do so from the left sidebar. So to make things easier to shift around, I'm going to group two elements together. That is the black bar and the text over it. In order to do that, you hold down one element until the pop-up saying one element selected comes up. And then you select the other element and it will say two elements selected. You then click on the three dots in the taskbar up above and click Group Elements. Now you can reposition that group of elements more easily. If you want to change the layering of images or elements one on top of each other, you select the element, then click the three dots on the taskbar and select Position. This will enable you to bring something forward or push something backwards. If you would like to copy an element, that option is also found in the taskbar, and it is the icon which looks like two squares with a plus sign in the middle. And if you want to ungroup elements, you can either select the ungroup option, which will automatically appear in the taskbar once a group of elements is selected, or you can click the trash icon and remove individual elements from the group. To change the background color, you select the background and then the color box in the task bar. This will open up a selection of colors on the left hand side. You can choose a color from the palette provided or add a new color. To add a new color, you need to select the option that looks like a rainbow colored frame with a plus sign in the middle. You can actually enter the color code for your brand colors here if you have it or know it, or you could utilize the eyedropper tool to select a color from the picture to place as the background, and that's what I'm going to do. So once you select the color that you want, press done, and the color of the background will change to that color. To brighten up the picture, I usually select the solar filter. You are able to see that once you select filter from on the taskbar up top, and all of the different filters will show up on the left hand side. And I usually adjust the intensity to down to 25 because it looks very yellow, but it's the one of the best ways to brighten up your image. You could also go a little bit deeper with the filters and adjust the brightness, the contrast, and other aspects of the picture to get it to look a little bit more how you want it to look. Then finally, I will edit the title of the thumbnail to be the same as the title of the video when I save the image to my camera roll, which can then be easily uploaded to YouTube using the YouTube Studio app. So I'm not sure how true this is, but the reason why I do this is for SEO, but I can't really say for sure if titling the images that you're uploading as your thumbnail will help you with search engine optimization or overall with your video, but it doesn't hurt to do that. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I have a playlist of YouTube tutorials and any other type of tutorials you would like to see concerning YouTube. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video.